If I were to tell you just a while ago that you can store your Solana on your Metamask wallet, you would probably call me a noob and quit this right away. But now it's possible with Solflare and Metamask Snaps. What is Metamask Snaps? If you don't know, that's basically like a Metamask Chrome extension store, when Metamask in itself is a Chrome extension. But yeah, whatever. Anyway, Solflare, which is a company that developed Solana Wallet, the specific Solana Wallet, now created a Metamask Snap, so you can integrate that Metamask Snap with your Metamask, and you can basically use Solana with your MetaMask. And you might be wondering, why do I need that? Because you can actually create a Phantom wallet or any other Solana wallet, such as Solflare wallet as well, and you just have to make extra clicks, entering extra passwords. And you're gonna do basically the same thing with Solflare, because you're gonna have to go to the Solflare website, connect your MetaMask over there, and it's gonna show you all your balance, and you can do a bunch of stuff like staking, bridging, and swapping right over there, but you still have to make this click. So why do I need that? Well, the only benefit that I see is actually one less seed phrase that I have to keep track of. Now all I can do is just keep track of my MetaMask seed phrase, and I'm gonna have Solana Wallet right there. So let me quickly show you how you can set up your Solana Wallet on your MetaMask using MetaMask Snaps, and I'm also gonna quickly show you how you can bridge from any EVM compatible network to Solana and vice versa. So we are on metamask.io/snaps, and over here it says that you can customize your wallet with MetaMask Snaps. As I already said, it's basically like an extension store, like the same way Chrome extension has the store. This is like a MetaMask extension store. So what it lets you do actually is you can install multiple extensions that are developed by third parties. So this is not developed by MetaMask, this is developed by third parties. And Solflare, which has its own wallet, developed this MetaMask Snap for Solana to add it to MetaMask. So right now it's an open beta, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to be able to see MetaMask Snaps in your MetaMask wallet, because it's going to add extra setting in your settings. And this is some of the values that MetaMask Snaps add to MetaMask. So you'll be able to have more interoperability, you'll be able to connect to non-Ethereum blockchains, including Solana, with MetaMask. You can see transaction insights, and you can get notifications directly in your MetaMask wallet. So the next question that you might be wondering is, if it's third parties, how secure is it? Because some information is going to be shared with those third parties, and you might be concerned about your wallet. So here's what they say. Snaps run in a sandbox environment and use a permissions model to protect your data and respect your consent. Snaps don't have access to your MetaMask account data. When installing a snap, you can always verify the permissions you're granting. And I'm going to show you that when we're going to be installing Solana Snap. Snaps currently featured in the MetaMask Snaps directory have been audited by our team and third parties. Over time, we plan to open up the auditing process to create a fully permissionless platform. So it should be pretty secure as long as you trust this third-party developer, and as long as you grant them access that you think is reasonable, then you should be fine. So here's how we install it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click right over here on this link that says Live in MetaMask. And this is basically this extension store. So you can see that the first thing we have is Solana Wallet right over here, and they also have a bunch of other snaps like Wallet Guard, Vega Protocol, and a bunch of other stuff. Starknet, Sui Wallet. You can check it out if you want, but if you don't see Solana Wallet, you can just search it right here by typing in Solana, and this is where it's going to be. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on that, and you're going to click on Add to MetaMask. If it's going to give you this error for whatever reason it does, all I have to do is refresh it, and that fixes it for me. So let me click on that, and it's going to say connection request snaps.metamask.io wants to connect to Solana Wallet. Only continue if you want to trust this website. You're going to click connect, and right over here it's going to say install Snap. Installing Solana Wallet gives you the following permissions. Only continue if you trust Solana Wallet. Control your account and assets, blah blah blah. Allow websites to communicate directly with the Snap. Display dialog windows in MetaMask. So if you trust Solflare, which is the developer for the Snap, then you can click install, and if these permissions look good to you as well. I'm going to click install, and it says proceed with caution. give account control to Solana Wallet. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that. I'm gonna click confirm and I'm gonna click OK. Now let me take you back for a second, because this was easy for me because I did it previously, but you might see some error because you actually have to have a specific version of Metamask in order for you to install it. And it's gonna say that you need to install version of Metamask 11.0. I was on 10.35, I believe, and it was showing me the error that I'm not going to be able to install it unless I update. If you don't know what version you're on, you can just go to your MetaMask, click on settings, click about, and see the version of your MetaMask. As you can see, mine is 10.35.1 right over here. So in order for us to update, what we're going to do, we're going to right click on your MetaMask and we're going to click manage extensions. And it's going to take us to your MetaMask extension. So over here, what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to click update right in the top left corner, and it's going to take a while to update. Once it's done, you should see the version being 11.0. And after that, you're good to go. So basically after that, you go back to the steps that we just did. You go to the snaps.metamask.io, find Solana, and click again, add to MetaMask, approve it, and you should be good. Now the next step after we added it to MetaMask, you're gonna have this pop-up that says installation complete. Continue to Solana Wallet's website to get started with this snap. So in order for us to see our wallet address and see our balance, we have to go to this website, solflare.com/metamask. And over here in the top right corner, you're going to click access with MetaMask. You're going to get a connection request and you're going to click connect, and that is it. You're good to go. As you can see, it will show you your portfolio value right here, and it will show you your Solana wallet address right over here, all with your MetaMask seed phrase. You can also click right here in the top right corner and you can see your Solana Wallet's net worth as well. So as I've already mentioned, one of the major benefits to this is that you'll be able to seamlessly bridge from and to non-EVM compatible networks such as Solana. So if we go to bridge, as you can see, I already have Ethereum selected, and over here we have Solana. You can flip this if you need to, but you can select basically Solana or USDC, and you can pretty much bridge some Ethereum over to Solana, which also gets swapped in the process. Click connect MetaMask, and I click next and connect, and boom. As you can see, I got a little bit of Ethereum. I'm not going to transfer it, it's not worth it for me. So you can pretty much take any blockchain, like let's say BNB or Ethereum or Arbitrum, any EVM compatible blockchain, and you can seamlessly bridge over to Solana, which is pretty cool. Right over here, you can also swap on Solana network, let's say Sol for USDC or any other token that you want to swap to, and you can also do staking. This is only for the Solflare. What if you want to connect your MetaMask wallet to any other protocol? So let's say I have some Solent.fi right over here. How do I do that? In order for us to use our Solana wallet address that we got through MetaMask, what we have to do, we have to click on Connect Wallet in the top right corner, and over here we can select Solflare. And once we click that, you're going to click Use Web Wallet, and over here you're going to click Connect. And as you can see, it's going to be the same wallet address that I have here on Solflare, and this is my Solana MetaMask wallet address. And over here you'll be able to do any other stuff that you do with the regular Solana wallet, such as Phantom, for example. Alright, and the last thing before we wrap up, I actually wanted to show you that you get that extra settings in your MetaMask wallet. So if you click on your MetaMask and you click on this 3-dot menu or 4-dot menu and you click on settings, you're gonna see that now you got this section that's called snaps. If you click on that, you're gonna see all the snaps that you add from the Snap store, let's call it Snap store, sure, for your MetaMask. And over here, if you click on that, you can easily disable it if you don't want to use this snap anymore for whatever reason, or if you scroll down, you can remove it completely from your wallet. Of course, you can re-add it later. And if you re-add it, the wallet address is obviously going to stay the same. So it's not like you're losing it. You're not going to lose any funds. It's just you removing it from the MetaMask. But if you re-add it, all your funds are going to be there and the wallet address is going to stay the same. And over here, basically like the MetaMask itself, where it has that section that shows you which websites or which protocols you're connected to, you're going to have connected sites here as well, and you can easily disconnect from all these websites. As you can see, it says that I'm connected to Solflare, and that's basically the only thing that I'm connected to, because then I use Solflare to connect to other websites such as, let's say, Solent.fi uses Solflare. It doesn't use this. So if I disconnect it, all those connections down the line gets disconnected. Alright guys, this was a short tutorial on how you can use MetaMask snaps, in particular how you can use Solflare Solana snap in order for you to connect your Solana wallet on MetaMask, which is pretty cool, I gotta say. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button to help YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more stuff like this where I talk about crypto, personal finance, and stocks, and I'll see you all guys in the next one.